following message is transmitted at the request of the Deception Warship at 14 a.m. Warship Standard Time. The robot breakdown has been reported to be infected with the Dark Energon. He's now believed to reanimating into a Terrorcon zombie. Stay calm, as Vatican troopers have been dispatched to take care of these zombies. If you are a Vatican and are hearing this message, get your energy guns ready to take care of these robot zombies. Stay tuned for more information of this outbreak.
The following message is transmitted as a request of the Decepticon Warship update of the Terrorcon event at Star at 14:00 p.m. at 14:00 p.m. Warship Standard Time. Decepticon troopers have failed to stop the Terrorcon zombies, as they are now reanimated into Terrorcon zombies. All troopers are advised to follow these instructions. Do not go near the zombies. They will find you and redirect you to those zombies. Stay tuned for more information of this dangerous event.
Could be passed along with a single bite. The entire crew is at risk.
You're saying Silas could beget more Terrorcons?
Could happen. And the ensuing feeding frenzy could turn this entire warship into a scrap heap. So now, can we sound the alarm?
You there? Have you noticed any unusual activity? Inspector?
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Decepticon Warship. Starscream and Knockout's fight has been failed. They were both killed during the fight of the zombies. All troopers and miners are advised to retreat and evacuate to the warship. If you go to the warship, you can see millions, trillions, and billions of Terrorcon zombies. After Starscream and Knockout were killed, they are reanimating into zombies. All warships are going to take off in the next few minutes. Make sure to go to your nearest warship. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous event.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Decepticon Warship. A power outage warning has been issued due to the Terrorcons got electrocuted by the main grid. The troopers are going to try to fix the power of the warship. All remaining troopers and miners are advised to stay away from the main grid or you will get shocked by the grid. Stay tuned for more update on this power outage.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Decepticon Warship. At 12 o'clock p.m. Warship Standard Time, a Dark Energon weapon has been donated inside the warship. The bomb has released a harmless dark purple gas into the warship. The symptoms of the gas included purple bloody eyes, coughing out energon, mindless control, headaches, and death after exposing the gas. Vehicles and miners to protect yourselves. Wear gas masks and watch out for Terrorcon zombies. Stay tuned for more updates on this outbreak.
Emergency center at 6 o'clock p.m. The warship is about to crash onto planet. All are advised to arm themselves in case the Terrorcons are attacking you. If you see a Terrorcon, shoot to kill. Aim for head to make them stop moving. This is only no way to kill them. Again, the Pacific is under state of an emergency due to the Terrorcon, and Autobot forces are being deployed to stop them. Dr. Redhead of the lab is going to find a cure that will hopefully stop the outbreak. Please stay tuned for more updates.
Transmitted at the request of the Supervillain government. Seek out Dr. Bob Shelter now. The Terrorcons have realized the Dark Energon weapon is about to hit Supervillain in the next few minutes.
All robot sides to take shelter to rise floors or buildings. If you do not take shelter, you will face certain death. All bases destroyed, and this planet will be gone until pieces after the bomb hits and there's purple gas in the planet and it will reach to Earth. Again, please take shelter right now or you will face certain death. Hello, my following Autobots. This is an aftermath message by myself and the Cybertronian government. The Dark Energon weapon has been destroyed, but however it is going to take 1,000,000 years to rebuild everything in Cybertron back to normal. Your leader of the Autobots will thank you all and also have a nice day.
Hey guys, it's Slipper the Hedgehog EAS Scenarios Scratches here. Please make sure to like my videos, subscribe to me, and comment down your PSN, so I can add you, and my PSN is SliverITGHYT. Request me to make more EAS Scenarios or make more videos of Sliver plushie. Anyways, have a good day and bye.
And that's how I made it. Bye.